Welcome to Frost RV. We are Tucson's newest RV dealer and strive to be the best. We have been in the RV industry for over 20 years and we have figured out how to deliver the same unit at a much better value. Check us out 24/7 at www.frostrv.com. Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Forest River Georgetown 327DS. This Forest River is a great value with less than 41,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Great livability in the most desirable floor plan, 2 slide-outs, automatic leveling jacks, large 5,500 watt generator, 2 air conditioners, plenty of kitchen storage, sofa sleeper, booth dinette, Euro recliner, 40 LCD flat screen TV, tons of outside storage with a large pass-through compartment. See this like new coach today. Thank you for viewing the Frost RV channel.